Hey, I'm back. You know I couldn't leave you hanging with all them wires hanging. We gotta get this mess cleaned up, man. This is looking like Balcom put it together. Oh, okay. I can tell what wires cut out that way. There's one. There's two. There's three. Sure looks like I got more than 3 wires in that bundle. Oh, 3 heading out. Or coming out there, and 2, one for the elevator and one for the rudder. Okay. Let's just use my matchmaker and find out what's what. Where's some tape? Tape. And pen. Okay. Let's use the matchmaker. Okay, now this one, everything's plugged into something, so this shouldn't be too difficult. Okay, that's the rudder. And shoot, we can just plug that straight into the rudder. Okay. This one. This one is this servo right here. So let's mark that extension cord. All we got to do is mark these right here. Let's mark that throttle. Okay. Get that out of the way. I'll show you guys how I do my tabs to make them a little neater. Not so messy. Okay, let's put a T on there. Just in that little corner right there. I'm sure you ain't cutting no wires. And then just bam. Okay, that's the throttle. Now we gotta go back and mark this one. I'm gonna go back and mark this one right here, throttle. Okay. Okay, I can just plug that right on in too. Let's put it more. I'll plug that into that box if I needed to. Okay, let's double check that. Okay, that's my throttle. Bam, that's done out the way. This one here. There's another one in the cage. I heard that in the engine department. Alright, that's my elevator. That is my elevator. Okay, so let's just plug that straight on in. Bam, Okay, we're getting somewhere now. We got this freight train rolling, baby. Okay, let's find out which one this one is. Yeah, that's that one. Now let's just put that right in the old aileron port. What do you say? That sounds like a good one. Okay, now let's go back and mark it aileron. Okay. Yeah, that's the right one. Man, we are trucking. Okay. See, this ain't so bad. That's the other one in the bay. Let's just put that right in the flat pole. Gear aux 1. Put that right in the old flat pole. And that's all of them on that side. Bam, we already got one side done. So now I can just stick, once I get all of them done, so I can get my board painted up, I can just stick this whole unit right through that hole. Okay. Now we gotta get the other side. I'm gonna take them servos and I'm gonna plug them in straight into the other side. Wait a minute. I ain't gonna need 2 throttles back there. I ain't putting my ECU back there. I guess I could always hook up a smoke pump real easy. I'm gonna have an extra cord. I don't know, that ain't done. What I'm thinking about doing is putting my ECU on a board and stuff right down here. That way, if I do ever have to get to the ECU, I won't have to take the wings off. That's the bad thing about putting it back there. You know, this way I just got to take that board off, remove a couple screws, bam, there, everything is. Quick and easy. Yep, don't talk myself into that. I'm going to put it on a board right down there. Yes, sir. Alright, where was I? Oh, okay, we're doing this other side. But I got an extra, I'm going to have an extra wire over here. But I guess I can hook up smoke or something else later. I'm just going to leave that extension cord in there. It ain't worth taking it out. I don't need it anywhere else. I don't want to go through the mess of taking it out. Okay. We got 4 here, yep, because one of them's going to be the elevator on that side. Okay. That sounds like elevators. Yeah, that's the elevator. Okay, now. Oh, doggone it, we're running out of time. Alright, I'm going to show you how to mix these. We'll make another video. I won't leave you hanging. I won't leave you hanging too much. Man, I got a mess there. It won't be long. We'll get that all cleaned up. You guys will see it right here in the shop. Thanks for tuning in, everybody. We'll be back with some more Bob TV. Same Bob time. Same Bob station. This episode of Bob TV was broadcasted in Philovision.